Today we're at my daughter's house, and her Samsung oven, this inside of the glass is dirty, so we're going to try to clean that up a little bit. Okay, so let's get started here. So I got a box underneath here, because if I take these screws out, I'm not sure if this will fall. I'm not even sure, actually. I don't think it does, but if this screw somehow ties into this handle. So we've got this right here. Right now it's just going circular. You've got two screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. I'm going to try to just take these two off. For sure those are for the hinges. I don't think we're going to be taking those off, but let's get these off. The door's on a spring, so we don't want to take too much apart. Okay, just as I thought. This is one piece, and here we get the other one that's on a spring with the hinges. There's a spring. So we're going to spray this down. What I'm going to use is this Dawn power wash. My daughter didn't have any scrubbing pads, so we're going to use this brush. Now what we're going to do, since we don't have any rags in this house either, in my daughter's house, we're going to just use some paper towels. They look too bad, but behind there, that looks pretty dirty. And this has got some screws there to take this bracket off. Let's loosen those screws up a little bit. Let's see where that takes us. That screw. And one there, just this one here. So we've got just these two on the top. And they actually slide into a slot down there. That's the side that's actually dirty. It's right there. There we go. So we're going to very carefully take that off. And you can see this is where most of the dirt's at, right there. We're going to clean that up. And since it looks a little dirty, I'm going to take this little brush. I didn't find any scouring pads in here, so that's why we're using this brush. It could be perfectly clean, but it's a whole lot better than it was. Look at this, and like I say, these slide. There's one right there. So let's get this screw. So there's only two screws holding this glass in, and then it slides into a slot. And that's a whole lot better than it was. Again, there's a screw here, and then there's a slot right down there. So this is the slot I was talking about on the bottom. This is on the right side. If you follow it all the way across, there's one on the left side. If you follow that up, you've got the one screw here, and then over here, you've got the other screw. This is much cleaner than it was. Okay, so now we're going to put this back together, the nose back up. And these line up with that hole that's right there. And then there's some slots right here that fit right into this piece right here. So you have to get those back in those slots. And you're going to line this one up. And it did not require all the screws to come out, just these two. I don't get it too tight. I just want to get it back to where it's normal. That's that. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it might be. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching.